Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Clipchamp and creating a new project. Choose 16, 9 for landscape or 9, 16 for vertical, depending on your destination. Import your clips now, drag and drop, or use the record button to capture footage. This gets your assets ready and avoids interruptions later. Once media is loaded, place one clip on the timeline to anchor the edit, because starting with actual footage helps you judge pacing and where cuts will be necessary. Now you edit. Trim ends and split clips to remove dead space, and use ripple delete so the timeline stays tight. Adjust audio levels next, normalize for even volume, apply noise reduction if needed, and add keyframes to duck music under speech. Then enhance visuals with simple color correction and add transitions or text overlays where they clarify a point. Doing these steps in sequence ensures your video reads clearly and sounds professional as you build the middle of the story. Finish by previewing the entire timeline to catch sync issues or awkward cuts. Then select export settings like 1080p for clarity or 720p to save space. Make sure the estimated file size fits your upload target, and then export. If something goes wrong, export stalls or fails, clear the app cache, lower the bitrate, or retry in a different browser. This usually resolves hanging exports. Once exported, review the final file to confirm audio and video alignment before sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.